Windows 10 shortcuts, OneNote versus Cortana. I'm happy with my Windows 10. It looks just like Windows 7, but nicer. There's just this little thing. I like OneNote snipping tool. At the press of Windows plus S it lets you pick a region on the screen and put it on your clipboard. Awesome, using that at least 10 times a day. Since Windows 10 when I press Windows plus S it starts Cortana search. Which is probably also awesome. I just wanted to occupy another shortcut, say, Windows plus P or something else far away for now. Q, is it possible to move or disable the keyboard shortcuts of Cortana?
OneNote was updated in October 2013 and changed the shortcut to following on systems running Windows 8.1 and Crater. Windows plus Shift plus S. Source. Here is a crude animation showing that OneNote screen clip functionality still works on Windows 10 using the shortcut Windows plus Shift plus S. The only thing that is not shown, which I am unable to show, is the S being highlighted on the on-screen keyboard since OneNote which is installed on my computer captures the shortcut before it's displayed on the on-screen keyboard.
This turns off the Windows built-in Win plus S shortcut, removing it from Cortana. Additionally, a value of SR for instance would also disable Win plus R, run. key_current_user /software/Microsoft/current version /Explorer/advanced disabled hotkeys =S. After setting this registry key, restart Windows and Win plus S will work for OneNote again. I'm not really sure why so many people who don't know the actual answer to a question still choose to chime in. It's kind of frustrating how often I end up on Stack Exchange these days only to discover that people are providing misinformation or useless conjecture.
This worked for me. First remove the Win plus S binding from search. Then get OneNote to bind to just Win plus S again. Credit to this URL.